Once you've done multi-track editing, maybe you want to save it for future uses. In order to do that, you can simply go to File right here, and I'm going to choose Save As. Once I do that, what happens is that I can save a file name. So you can see that I have it here. But one thing about the multi-track editing is that all of the files that you edited must be stored on the same folder. In my case, all of them has been saved in active file L drive right here. So I'm going to save the source file right there. Otherwise, the audio clips isn't going to be saved. Only the reference is going to be saved. And whenever you open the file, it won't actually work normally if you were to transfer the file. So if you want to transfer the file to another computer, you need to transfer the whole folder. So I'm going to click on Browse. I'm going to go on to my active files drive right here. And here, this is my multi-track editing right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply rename this. Right. So I'm going to rename this as multi-track edit, just like this, and I'm going to save it out right there. So this is the sample. I don't need to worry about anything else, just need to make sure that it is on the same location as my music files right here. So I'm going to press OK, I'm going to press yes, and all of them will be saved in the same folder, and the folder will be managed. So whenever you are working for multi-track editing, you can see that all of them has been arranged just like that in the same folder. You can see that the folder is here, and this is the one which has been edited. So all of the files are stored right over here. So if you want to save the multi-track editing, make sure that all of them are located in the same folder itself, and you save this file. So if you want to edit, you can just double click and then start editing it, or open up that file to edit it further in another computer as well. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.